Look, listen, and repeat. Apple. Apple. The apple is red and juicy. Banana. Banana. You have to peel the banana before eating it. Tangerine. Tangerine. I enjoy the sweet and citrusy taste of a ripe tangerine. Nectarine. Nectarine. Nectarine is similar to peaches, but it has a smooth skin. Orange. Orange. Orange is a delicious and juicy citrus fruit packed with vitamin C. Apricot. Apricot. The apricot has a sweet and slightly tart taste. Pineapple. Pineapple. I like to eat pineapple chunks in a fruit salad. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit has fuzzy brown skin and bright green flesh. Lemon. Lemon. I like to drink tea with lemon. Lime. Lime. I use lime slices to garnish my drinks. Melon. Melon. I enjoy the crisp and sweet taste of honeydew melon in fruit salads. Grape. Grape. I like to snack on grapes because they are sweet and refreshing. Peach. Peach. I love the aroma and taste of ripe peaches in the summertime. Pear. Pear. John cut the pear in half. Plum. Plum. I like to make jam from fresh plums. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are citrus fruits with a tangy and slightly bitter taste. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is good for our health and has a lot of vitamins. Watermelon. Watermelon. I love eating juicy watermelon on a hot summer day. Coconut. Coconut. I like to drink coconut water straight from a fresh coconut. Mango. Mango. Mango is a tropical fruit with sweet and juicy orange flesh. Avocado. Avocado. Avocado has a creamy texture and is rich in healthy fats. Quince. Quince. Quince is often used to make pies, tarts, and even sauces. Durian. Durian. It is better to eat durian immediately after it is cut. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit has white or pink flesh with black seeds. Pomelo. Pomelo. Pomelo is a large citrus fruit with a thick peel and a sweet and tangy taste. Guava. Guava. I like to eat guava slices with a sprinkle of salt. Lychee. Lychee. Lychee is a tropical fruit with a rough, red shell. Papaya. Papaya. Papaya is known for its sweet and juicy taste. Carambola. Carambola. Carambola, also known as star fruit, has a unique shape and taste. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. The rind of mangosteen is thick and inedible. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Passion fruit is commonly used in desserts and beverages. Persimmon. Persimmon. Persimmons can be eaten fresh or used in baking recipes. Feijoa. Feijoa. Feijoa is native to South America. Fig. Fig. I like to eat fresh figs with cheese for a delicious combination. Date. Date. Dates are a great source of natural sugars and provide energy. Strawberry. Strawberry. You can add sliced strawberries to your oatmeal for a delicious breakfast. Raspberry. Raspberry. Raspberry jam is a popular spread for toast and pastries. Cherry. Cherry. Cherry pie is a classic dessert that many people love. Currant. Currant. Currant is often used in jams or desserts. Goji berry. Goji berry. Goji berries contain large amounts of vitamins A and C. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. The taste of gooseberry can vary from sour to mildly sweet. Mulberry. Mulberry. Mulberry leaves are sometimes used in herbal teas and traditional medicine. Blackberry. Blackberry. Blackberry is a popular ingredient in pies, tarts, and cobblers. Blueberry. Blueberry. The blueberry muffins at that bakery are simply delicious. Cranberry. Cranberry. Cranberry sauce is a classic accompaniment to Thanksgiving meals. Test yourself. What is the picture of? Cantaloupe, gooseberry, pomegranate, fig. Gooseberry. What is it? Passion fruit. Which picture shows plum? This one. What is it? Quince. What is the picture of? Watermelon, lychee, pear, orange. Pear. Which picture shows grape? This one. What is it? Persimmon. What is the picture of? Cherry, tangerine, pomelo, apple. Tangerine. Which picture shows dragon fruit? This one. What is it? Coconut.